In Roman times, the poor usually still lived in Celtic wooden roundhouses. The rich built Roman townhouses or country villas. These were rectangular and made of stone. Roman villas had many rooms. They had separate kitchens, formal dining rooms for guests, triclinium, cellars, and even private shrines. The Romans invented underfloor heating, hypocaust. Rooms were built on raised columns so hot air from fires could circulate underneath. Most had private bathhouses, so villas were often located near a natural spring. A good example can be found at Chedworth Roman Villa, which has 2 bathing complexes, as well as a pool and fountain, Nymphaeum. Different villa layouts have been found. A simple cottage villa had rooms that led from one to the next, whereas corridor villas had a covered walkway providing access to each room. Over time, some villas added extra wings. Particularly posh villas had large rooms coming off a central courtyard. The villas were often beautifully decorated with mosaics, and walls were painted with patterns or pictures. There are several Roman villas in Britain that you can visit and see the remains of Roman mosaics, such as Fishbourne or Brading. At Bignor Villa, there is a mosaic 79 feet long, the longest mosaic in Britain. Here is another selection of Roman villas found in Britain.